To stencil on your clear tier, you'll need your stencil, a scraper, some royal icing and a spatula, a bowl and your clear tier. Here I've got a 6-inch square clear tier and I'm actually going to put it on its side to stencil. So removing the lid and carefully turning it on its side, I'm going to get my stencil and I'm going to place it on top, lining it up with where I'd like the pattern to be. And then using some royal icing, I'm going to spread it over the top of my stencil. And then taking my scraper, I'm going to scrape away the excess. Then I need to repeat that to stencil the whole pattern. Once you've covered the entire side and scraped away the excess, it's time to peel away the stencil to reveal the pattern. Now you'll have a few edges which need to be cleaned up, but after that you can let it dry and stencil the other sides of your clear tier.